Okay, so Unit 13, Lesson 3 is translations. So we're going to dance a little bit like the electric slide, but we're going to do the math slide. So it's called a translation. So I'm going to put slide. Okay, so it's really moving an object without rotating it, turning, resizing it, making it bigger, smaller, or anything else. You're just sliding it across the X and Y axis. Okay, so I wish there was a shortcut like a big T for it, but I don't make this stuff up. If you look at the examples, that's what you're going to see. So I was going to start out with X and Y because that's the order of an ordered pair. And you're going to see this arrow, which means to transform into, and then they'll tell you a rule, X plus or minus a number, and then you'll see Y plus or minus a number. And if there's not a number, then obviously it's 0. So negatives obviously go to the right. I'm sorry, positives go to the right, negatives go to the left, Y's, if it's positive, it goes up. If it's negative, it will go down, okay? So it's kind of like if we could cut and paste. So translations, they form isometries again. They are going to be congruent figures, same shape, same size, same area. They just get moved along without being turned. So like number 1, ideally, if I could take this triangle, cut it out, and then I would just move it 2 to the right and 3 down. And if I could just paste it on, that's essentially what we're doing, okay? So there's not a lot of work to show. You can write the direction on your paper, and that'll show us that you understand the movement. So like right here, that's our original. So since it's positive, we're going to go to the right 2, and we're going to go down 3 units. So I just take each dot. So here's my G. I'm going to go to the right 2 and then down 3 all in one movement. And then T, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. And then B, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. If it goes off the graph, remember, just use your best judgment. Don't leave it blank. Okay, so see, it's like we cut and we paste it. We just slide to the right, slide down. We're dancing in math. All right, let's move on. So on example 2, there is no number with the X, so that means it does not go anywhere on the X direction. And the Y is plus 2, so we're going to go up 2 units. So if we could cut this out and just paste it up 2, that's what we would do. So here's M, here's Y, and here's G. But that is enough for your work, okay? We just want some indication that you understand the process. And example 3, same idea. We are going to go -3, so we're going to go left 3, and -1, so we're going to go down 1. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and please always label your dots. And they should be exact since you should be doing this by hand. Okay? All right, so let's look at example 4. Now we're going to go backwards. So remember, the original is the one without the apostrophes, so it's going to be black. So you can pick any of the 3 dots to do. So I've got X, Y, and if you forget this first part, it's okay. We're going to see. So from Z to Z, I go from here and then there. So that really is good work. So you're going to go to the right 2, so that means it's X plus 2, and we went down 1, so Y minus 1. And that would be our rule. All right, example 5. So from the black to the black, I'll just use U. We just went to the right 1. So we get X, Y ordered pairs are going to go, so it's X plus 1. And we didn't go up and down at all, but I still need that Y value to show that. Okay? Good luck.